Normal match point, but either way, did not expect this. Deuce. Oh, wow. Oh, I want to give him a standing ovation for that one. Fantastic guts from Nadal. The shot has not been there. That was a tough one on the run. Just went for it, made it. That's what champions are made of. Guts.
Incredibly, Nadal finds a way to win. To overcome an obvious physical disability, mental anguish, and to do it the hard way, the long way, in 5 sets.